Now I'm going to use green chilli. I'm going to use the forged utility knife. All of the Pampered Chef knives come with protective covers, so when you're not using it, it sits inside the cover and it can sit safely inside your drawer. This is a professional knife, and they do have other knives as well. For example, they have colour-coated knives which are a lot lighter feel. These are quite heavy. These come with a lifetime guarantee, and they are quite a good little starter knife. This is a tomato knife, and it's excellent for cutting through tomatoes. It has a non-stick coating, so it just glides through the tomato.